JB Morrow, go and get your bag.
Yeah, so today we're gonna do semi-vlogging. Shatoria's running because she like boys on boys. And we in. Yeah. Okay, y'all, so as far all of these things are on the list. These are not. But we're still shopping, so we'll see how much new stuff that I buy that I don't need. Hopefully not a lot. Well, y'all, I have a lot more things that was not supposed to be on there. It's okay, hook this up. Yeah, there ain't got nobody up in here. I'm gonna a woman, older woman, forgive me. Yeah.
I need to be a crazy little.
So y'all see my daughter's in the back seat because bad children's in the bag.
Got in trouble at school.
Yeah, fighting her boyfriend.
My fucking problems, ho.
Girl, is he still here?
Is it? Is it? Oh my God, is it him?
There is.
I thought he was still at home.
Oh my God, it was outside. Yeah, so I'm finna go open these. Pros of living next door to the other, ain't it? So I'm gonna go open these. We finna, y'all ain't finna cook shit. Don't even have me get slime. We really finna wash cars. Me and finna wash our cars.
The hell? I was just say it looked like it's not cutting it, but it be opening it the whole time.
Actually, guys, we're really about to wash our cars. I don't want y'all to see. It's like, there she goes. She's playing, y'all. She's washing the car. She's going around the road. Storia, you need to move here. Shit.
We're going to get this car, y'all. We got the car wash. All right, period. We don't go to places. We do our own shit, you know. Expensive cars, number hands only. Yeah. Yoda gang. Yoda gang. Hands on.
Barbie on the block. Before I can see. Y'all just trying to get Ravi dirty. Come on, baby. So, oh, I'm changing my car name. Chanel. Chanel. I just look. Huh?
You think you don't eat with that name whole time?
Chanel.
Yeah. It's so block.
You be delicate how you spray her.
She's not used to a squirter.
Girl, please. She is the squirter. What I got, y'all?
And y'all, we just wipe these things down.
Yeah. I'm over here trying to get it right, y'all, but I'm over here getting tired. I'm doing one side. That's crazy, boy. Yeah, this hoe feel like she did something. She couldn't wash her whole car. Working, getting it in. Ooh, oh. Look at her car.
I'm trying to make sure I got it.
Look at him. He don't never do nothing. He just stand there and look crazy. Yeah. That's it's some gas. But guess what? It don't matter. I'm just around the corner. And Trey is behind me. I don't know if I can see his. Oh, I can probably see better this way. Trey and Shay in front. So yeah, that's how we make it. So y'all, we don't think we're about to back in. We forgot it's Sunday and they're closed. So look like we just gonna all do U-turns. They don't have nothing to say. Trace. Y'all, we done came to another one.
We gotta put quarters in those though.
He shook. What do you have to say about your car being clean?
This is crazy.
What you have to say about your car being dirty because you put up to the car wash late and we have to charge you 50? Huh? Bina?
Say my car smell like that though. It's all props.
Y'all backing out of here. Don't be backing out too fast and hit the pause behind y'all.
Yeah, this old ass been way so.
Try.
Now I'm trying to cut out y'all weight, but yeah, we put up to another car wash to do what we need to get out to wipe my skin with. Then y'all can see. I don't know what the fuck this bitch from. Getting things. Nutrient. Like that. But they're so yeah, I just don't know when they don't know about that. It's so just smeared, but yeah, they so unserious. They literally back their cars up. Like you can't even see. Their cars are backed up. Mine's too though. Mine's too. This is mine. Put that back up that Yeah, I have nothing better to do. Like
You gonna swing yours in like what?
she thought she ate, so I swung mine right on in, right behind hers.
So y'all told her your uncle.
You go. Yeah, well, this the meal. They ain't eating nothing. They too good to eat. So, what we got? Bread. Yeah, we done pulled up on Baby D in the situation. Baby D, y'all, she gotta say the situation. But like, y'all can't. What you gotta say? What you gotta say? What you gotta say?
Like bitch, the shit that baby D be 100%.
Yeah, like, it's the middle of the night, cuz. Okay.
Right now. Here.
I'm hood.
I gotta find this thing.
Oh my God, y'all, this shit is crazy. I gotta call my fucking twin. I'm driving Baby D Honda. This shit is wild. No, bro. She's trying to make me get. I'm not getting in that car. I'm not gonna ship that car. Okay, y'all. I'm back. I'm hungry, and I made a ham sandwich, but I think I'm about to actually fry it. Mind your business, just talking on your face. Ain't nothing much. I think I should come in. And this is this. You get all types of difficult. Yeah, let's go. It's the finished product.
Two little things to just keep in our house. We had to wait for our stuff to get here before we leave, but before we leave, we're gonna tell them what we're gonna do.
There's been alerts on our phone.